Hi, today we have multi-agent coding platform Codepilot that we are going to look into. It's a terminal-based AI coding agent that can autonomously solve GitHub issues and open pull requests while also responding to direct tasks typed by the engineers in the textual interface. Codepilot should behave like a skilled junior engineer. It reads the issues, it explores the code base, writes the plan, implements the fix, runs the tests, and opens the PR, and it asks for human approval in the process. So this will be the basic structure of how it is like. So there should be a textual interface where it can read all the existing GitHub issues or take a task, and then there's an orchestrator agent which classifies the task into its respective one and uses one of these agents. So it classifies the task into bug fix or feature addition, dependency update, documentation, or config change, and each one of these has its own workflow and skills. And based on the workflow, it chooses which agents that it has to take. So the agents available for us are Repo Explorer, Coder, PR, and testing. So each of these agents uses GitHub tools. Each of these agents use GitHub tools, and it calls the required GitHub tools based on the task it is doing. And orchestrator maintains the state machine. And these are one of the these are the stages that an issue or a task goes through. In short, this is how the project summary is like. So where it calls the GitHub issues, implements the fixes, tests and sandbox, and opens the PR. We have a textual interface. We have GitHub client orchestrator is connected to the agents and it GitHub client, and it selects the skills. It runs the text in the sandbox, and agent naturally uses an LLM. And here we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash, and this is the tech stack for it, and this is the flow. So here it says that there is one open issue, and it's saying it's classified as a bug fix, and it's trying to check how the bug fix could be done. We'll open the logs and see it. Yeah. So here it's clearly saying it has found out an issue and it has classified it into a bug fix, and it's calling the first it called the issue agent, and now it's calling the repo explorer agent, and to find what could be the related files for it, and it has recognized that, and it's running the coding agent followed by the testing agent, and it has raised a PR. It's asking for an approval for raising the PRs, telling that this is a change, and then once we approve, it has run the PR agent, and it's saying this it has raised a PR based on this. Yeah, updated file calculator.py, successfully created PR. Let's check the PR. Yes, this is the PR that it has raised. It's checking, it's telling that this is the issue file that it recognized, and the implementation approach and the files changed. And here is the changes that it made. We can go ahead and approve the PR.